Hey, did you know that there are 8 planets in our solar system? Let's learn about them in this fun science video for kids. Our solar system has 8 planets that revolve around the sun. The first planet is Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system and is about 4,000 miles or 6,400 kilometers in diameter. Mercury has no moons, and its surface is covered with craters and has vast plains of cooled lava. Mercury is very hot during the day, but at night it gets very cold. Mercury revolves around the sun in just 88 days. That means a year on Mercury is shorter than the Earth's year. No, 2. Venus! Venus is the second planet from the sun and is the hottest planet in the solar system. Even though Mercury is closer to the sun, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat.
A year on Venus is longer than the Earth's year.
Venus has no moons, and its surface is mostly hidden by clouds. It is the only planet that rotates in the opposite direction. If you were to stand on Venus, you would spin clockwise. On all the other planets, including the Earth, you would spin counterclockwise. Number 3, Earth. Our beautiful blue planet is the third planet from the sun. The Earth has one moon and is the only planet that we know of that has life. The Earth's atmosphere is just right for life. We have water, air, and sunlight, which makes the Earth a great place to live. Number 4, Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun and is known as the red planet. It has 2 moons and its surface is covered with red dust. Mars has a thin atmosphere, so if you tried to walk on Mars, you would need a spacesuit. You couldn't stay long because Mars does not have any liquid water on the surface. However, scientists think that there may be water under the surface. Number 5, Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun and is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant and does not have a solid surface. Jupiter has more than 75 known moons. Jupiter is so massive that Earth simply vanishes into its colossal depths. Number 6, Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun and is known for its beautiful rings. It is another gas giant and has no solid surface. Saturn has more than a dozen known moons. Saturn is less dense than water, so if you could find a way to keep it from floating away, it would actually float in water. Number 7, Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun and is the farthest planet in the solar system. It is an ice giant and has more than a dozen known moons. Neptune is so far away that it takes 165 years for it to revolve around the sun just once. Number 8, Pluto. Pluto is not technically a planet, but it is still an important part of our solar system. It was discovered in 1930 and was considered the 9th planet until 2006. Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet. It has 5 known moons and is about half the size of our moon. The sun is a star and is the center of our solar system. It is 400 times larger than the Earth and provides light and heat to the planets. The sun is also the reason why we have day and night. As the sun rotates on its axis, one side is illuminated by its light, while the other side is in darkness. As the Earth rotates on its axis, the illuminated side of the sun faces different parts of the planet, giving us day and night. Our solar system is just one of many in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy that contains hundreds of billions of stars. The sun is located in the Orion Arm, which is about 26,000 light-years from the center of the galaxy. We hope you enjoyed learning about the planets in our solar system. Which planet is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.